Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Usman and this is the Samsung Galaxy A72. A plastic phone, but still it looks very nicer and durable. And no doubt it feels very solid in the hand. A better camera, a better design and the better performance than the last year's Samsung Galaxy A71. So in this video, I will dig into this phone, talk about its design, camera, performance, battery, everything. So you can get the idea that should you buy this phone or not, or should you go for the Samsung Galaxy A52, because Galaxy A52 is a little bit cheaper than the Galaxy A72, but the design and specs are almost same. So in this video we will also discuss about that. At few points of this video I will try to compare them so you can get the idea which one to buy, or should you go for Galaxy A72 or not. Now let's jump to the table and see what we will get in the box of the Galaxy A72. So in the box of the Samsung Galaxy A72 you will get power adapter, type C to type C port power cable, silicone cover, SIM tool and few manuals with the device. And sadly hand-free is not available in this box. And now first, if I talk about its design, its back is made of matte finish plastic. It feels very soft, rubbery and grippy in the hand even without the protection cover. Samsung called it soft edge design. The back of the Galaxy A72 also slopes up a little bit to meet the relatively flat camera bump, which helps it sort of blend into the rest of the design. And the best part of this phone that I saw is that it's IP67 dust and water resistance, which I haven't seen on any A series phone or in any Samsung's mid-range phone in a long time. And I did its water test very next day when I unboxed it on my channel. So it's about 4 to 5 weeks that I'm still using it and I saw no issues related to that water test. So yes, it easily survived the water test. And there is quad camera on the back with the flash in a camera bump and the branding of the Samsung at the bottom of the back. Samsung Galaxy A72 does not bounce different colors under light that we saw on the Galaxy A71. And the violet color of the Galaxy A72 also does not catch our fingerprints. Okay, maybe in the white color also, but I can say that in violet color it does not catch, but in the black color it will catch. Why? Because I have the Samsung Galaxy A52 in a black color, same body build, but Galaxy A52 catches our fingerprint smudges. So A72 will definitely catch our fingerprint smudges in the black color. Now it's up to you which color you will decide after getting this news. And if I talk about the frame of the phone, there is nothing special or unorthodox about the frame. I'm not complaining about it. It's good to see that the headphone jack is still there. And after that, there is mic, USB-C port and speaker. And on the top, there is noise cancellation mic and the dual nano SIM card tray. It is also hybrid affair with the second slot doubling as a micro SD card cradle. So you have to pick and choose between the dual SIM or the extended storage. And the left side of the phone is totally clean, while the right side houses the power button and the volume rockers. Although the frame is plastic, but finish feels good and doesn't come off as cheap in any way. And at the end of the day, I can say that the phone is really durable and can easily sustain the small scratches on the back. But wait, on the front, bezels, or if I say side of the bezels, got scratched easily even with the protection cover. So I thought to share with you. And if I talk about the haptics, it's okay, not so good, but I can rate it as average. And the bezels, which are surrounding 6.7-inch display on the front, are nice and thin. Now let's put some display specifications here. It's Super AMOLED with 90Hz refresh rate, but you can get 120Hz on the 5G variant, 800 brightness nits, 1080p resolution and 394 pixel density. By the way, it's less than the Galaxy A52, which has 407 pixel density. No doubt, Galaxy A72 has fast and smooth display. And the best part is that you can set 90Hz or 60Hz refresh rate if you want to save some battery according to your need. Brightness is pretty good, by which you can easily use outside in sunny day. Content on the Galaxy A72 is pretty sharp. There are good colors and details. So in other words, I have no complaints for the Super AMOLED display, except for one, and that is the fingerprint sensor. On the Galaxy A72, fingerprint is a little bit slow and take time while unlocking the screen. But I have one solution for that, or I can say one trick for that. Let me show you on the table. So for this trick, first of all, go to the settings of your phone, scroll down, and then go to the biometrics and security option. And then go to the fingerprints, type your password here to get into the fingerprint settings. And then second last option you will see is show animation when unlocking. Just turn it off. And then go back, and then under the fingerprints go to the more biometric settings, and there disable the show unlock transition effect. And after that go back to the main settings page and scroll down and go to the apps. Here go to the options and then go to the special access and then go to the optimize battery usage, and now select the all apps here. After that search for an app, type here biometrics and just turn it off also. So this is a trick by which you can make the fingerprint sensor of the Galaxy A72 little bit fast. Now before talking about the performance, let's put some more specifications on the table. Snapdragon 720G chipset. You can also get 750G chipset on the 5G variant. 6 and 8 GB of RAM, 128 or 256 GB of storage, and Adreno 618 GPU. No doubt, multitasking on this phone is pretty smooth and you can easily and quickly jump from one app to another without waiting in the line. I did photo editing on the Adobe Lightroom. From photo editing to exporting in gallery, everything was pretty smooth and fast. And the Galaxy A72 scored 298,000 on the Antutu benchmarks. Pretty good numbers. And on the Galaxy A72, I saw a little bit more integration of Google with One UI 3.1. This time I got Google Message and Phone app already installed with Samsung's Message and Phone app. So two messages app on one phone. But you can easily delete Google's Message and Phone app. And you can also link your phone to your Windows PC and can easily operate from PC. You can see the notifications, read message, see your gallery, and even you can use apps. And if you look at the graphics settings of few games, we can play PUBG from smooth graphics on ultra frame rate to HD graphics at high frame rate. And on the Call of Duty Mobile, we can play very high graphics quality at very high frame rate. And max frame rate is also available, but only for the high graphics quality. While gaming, I saw no lag, games ran very smoothly and with very good graphics. But I felt one thing, that the device got more temperature and felt me a little bit hot. Here I am sharing Antutu temperature records. While playing PUBG, CPU temperature was 43 Celsius, while the normal temperature is 33 Celsius. And the battery temperature was 38 Celsius, while the normal is 32 Celsius. And while playing the Call of Duty Mobile, temperature of the CPU was 45 Celsius. And now let's talk about the exciting part of this phone, and that is camera. For that, let's jump to the screen of my desktop so I can show you some samples. So as we know, there is quad camera on the back with 64 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 5 megapixel macro. No doubt, photo quality of the Galaxy A72 is really impressive. Color in photos are natural, and I saw no oversaturation or over brightness in photos. And the best part of this camera is the color tone, which is really good. And not only in wide, even in the ultra wide, color tone and the details are very good than all the other phones available in this budget. Ultra wide of the Galaxy A72 captures shadow also in the good details. So no doubt this time ultra wide is really improved and very better, by which you can really take nice and decent photos. And in the portrait mode, no doubt edge detection is seriously awesome. Here you can see how perfectly it detected the petals of the flower. And not only that, edge detection in the low light is also good. Here you can see few samples. And if I talk about telephoto lens, it works best only on 3x zoom. And after that, up to 30x zoom is digital zoom. So you can see this is the wide shot, and now this is the 3x zoom shot with the telephoto. No doubt telephoto is really working good. And here you can see I took photo in wide and the other one with the telephoto 3x zoom, and if I zoom the wide ones, it loses quality, while the photo I took with the telephoto is good and has more details and better colors. So no doubt the Galaxy A72 has really good ultra wide and telephoto lens, which we mostly don't get in this price tag. So Samsung did a very good job in this budget. And not only that, in night mode Galaxy A72 performed awesome here also. One thing more, in night mode ultra wide is not available, but on the Galaxy A52 that's available. Overall, in the night mode Galaxy A72 is best, but in extreme low light I saw noise in photo and distortion. And for the videos, we can record 4K at 30 fps and 1080p at 30 and 60 fps. Video quality in 4K is good, better color and saturation, but in 1080p it's not so impressive. The recorded video in 1080p seems good on phone, but when you import on your PC, there it's not so good. Focus is also good, here you can judge. And there is 32 megapixel front camera which can take good selfies with good color tone and details. There is ultra wide option also available if you want to fit someone else in your selfie. Edge detection on front camera is also perfect, and ultra wide is also available in the portrait mode. Here are the few selfies in the night mode. You are the judge, but I can say there is a little bit noise in low light in the photos. What's up? I'm recording this video with the selfie camera of the Samsung Galaxy A72. I'm recording this video on 4K at 30 fps, so you can get the idea of its video recording quality. Okay, and not only that, you can also get the idea of the mic. I'm recording this video with the original mic of the Samsung Galaxy A72 without using any kind of the external mic or something like that. So overall, Galaxy A72 camera works best in less spacey area by focusing on one object. It's not so good in open area. Usually it takes photo in 16 megapixel, but we have 64 megapixel option available to take photos in high resolution. There's no major difference between 16 and 64 megapixel, except you can crop 64 megapixel photo as much as you want if you need, and still it can maintain good quality. And I also gave full review on the camera of the Samsung Galaxy A72. Make sure to watch that also. Link will be available in the iCard or in the description of this video. And if I talk about battery, Samsung Galaxy A72 has 5000 mAh huge battery with 25 watt fast charging, which is enough for 2 or 1.5 day casual use. Here you can see I watched YouTube for the 2 hours at medium brightness and it consumed 19% battery, and played PUBG for 1 hour and it consumed 13% battery. And then I played Call of Duty Mobile for 1 hour and 32 minutes, for which Samsung Galaxy A72 consumed 18% battery. So you can get area of its battery life from these stats. And I did its battery drainage test in which it survived for 7 hours and 12 minutes, which is not bad. And in battery charging test, it completed its 100% charging in 1 hour and 25 minutes with its original 25 watt power adapter. And one thing more, while charging, the back of the Samsung Galaxy A72 gets hot. And when I checked temperature on the N22, it was 40 Celsius while charging, even more while playing game, which was 38 Celsius. And next, let's talk about Galaxy A72 versus A52. Basically, I saw no major difference between Galaxy A72 and A52, even in their 5G variants. Few of the differences that I'm going to put here. Galaxy A72 has telephoto lens, which is not available on the A52. 5000 mAh battery on the Galaxy A72, while the A52 has 4500 mAh. 25 watt fast charging, while the Galaxy A52 has 15 watt fast charging. But you can get 25 watt fast charging adapter separately because A52 supports 25 watt fast charging. And even in the 5G variant, you will get 25 watt power adapter. And now let's see the other side also. Samsung Galaxy A52 has 407 pixel density, while the Galaxy A72 has 393 pixel density. A52 has Gorilla Glass 5 on front, but on the Galaxy A72 it's still not specified. And now it's time for some final questions. First, that which one you should purchase, A52 or A72. In my experience, if you need a telephoto lens and a little bit big display and big battery, then Galaxy A72 definitely is a good choice. But if you don't need these, then A52 is better choice. And on the Galaxy A52, you will also save a little bit money pocket. But if you need the big display and the telephoto lens and a little bit big battery, then the Galaxy A72 is better choice than all the other phones available in this price tag. And now for those people who already have the Galaxy A71 in the pocket and thinking to jump from A71 to A72, then I will say it's good idea. This year you will get a new design and better performance. So overall, I can say this Samsung Galaxy A72 is value for money device. And this was a review of the Samsung Galaxy A72. If you found it helpful, then please like it and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.